We're at Hospital Direct Medical here in San Diego, California, in our hospital bed showroom, and we're looking right now at over-the-bed tables. And this is our most popular model that we sell. It's a light touch Invacare model 6417, and it's a very, very reliable table. You can see we sell these brand new. They come in very good condition, and it's a very easy table to move around. It's on wheels, and you have this adjustment bar right here that if you lift that up, you can adjust the height. These are really popular basically for folks that are in hospital beds or bedridden. It allows them to eat in bed. It also allows them to do things like have books or prescriptions or other things close to the side of the bed. And we sell these and can ship these basically anywhere in the United States. Now, the table itself comes in just a couple parts. It's very easy to put together, just a few screws. And when it's shipped, it ships out in a box that looks just like this. So if you're looking for over-the-bed tables, or we call them the side bed tables, we'll go ahead and put it back over here. The Invacare 6417, which is this model right here, 6417, is one of the most popular ones that's out in the over-the-bed table market. Again, it's made by Invacare. We are an Invacare dealer. So to order the over-the-bed tables and have those shipped, give us a call at Hospital Direct Medical, 858-263-4894. You can also reach us at 858-731-7278 and get more information off our website on the over-the-bed tables, hospital beds, and other things that we sell, including hospital bed mattresses, trapezes, and more at www.hospitalbeds.com.